Good morning, distinguished color person, expectation Alex Terzi, and fellow participants. My name is Endas Bisterini, a student of the elementary school teacher education program. Today, I am honored to present the summary of an article entitled Evaluating Readiness and Expression of Artificial Intelligence Adaptation Among Elementary School Teachers. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Research problem. Will artificial intelligence AI holds transformative potential for boosting personalizing and adaptive learner experiences. Its implementation in Indonesian elementary education is difficult in Java language significantly limited. Teachers face critical roots including insufficient digital information literacy, a lack of the technical hard and software infrastructure in language learning. Psychological resistance to change and disrupting the procedural responsibility of human education purpose and focus. The primary objective of this study is to identify maps and evaluate the respective input, process, and output factors influencing technological readiness and expectation of ambitious learner models among primary school teachers in West Java, Indonesia. By developing acoustic integration frameworks, the study seeks to establish a practical roadmap of stakeholders to further a supportive enforcement of AI integration in school. Research method. One approach quantitative approach listing a consumption integration model that markets the technology resistance index, the technology expectation model SHAM, and precipitation toleration of truth. 2. Skill and population. The study utilized a proposed splitting attention strategy active elementary school teacher with Java. 3. Instrument I-51 Quantitative structure on a 5-point Likert scale distribution via a distress air to fetch interpretation, email, and WhatsApp Google Form. Major findings: 1. Instrument reliability. The master model demonstrates strong statistical interconsistency calculus both alpha and capacity reliability. Shared evaluation for augmentation alpha resolution exceed the start threshold with optimism and innovativeness remaining expectably slightly below the average expressed for all clusters estimate to heartbeats. This testing formulary hypothesis regarding the rich relationship where statistical support and were raised. Critical brief factors such as pessimism, innovativeness in comfort is to keep
specific qualities through surveillance and acts of usual conflict to be critical determinant of AI adaptation. Key moderator reflect acts of history and usefulness seeks strategically medicine the party was between teacher in netting readiness traits, innovative fairness curiosity, and their ultimate intention. Six before behavior and actual use of AI technology. Contextual definition. Notability, the trick platform perspective as of us to intention to us was listing in the thing that simple make an AI tool as to does not automatically translate in an intention to adopt it among this structure if it lacks private utility or validity. Conclusion. The study successful provided a retrospective roadmap for AI integration tailored to West Java educational ecosystem. It underscores that successful technology adaptation is a multi-step process requiring a from passive input traits readiness to active cognitive processing expected before yielding actual adaptation behavior. The author constant and design based political proof, establishing task communication to build teacher to an aligning technology with local curriculum needs Merdeka Belajar are vital to achieving sustainability and educational upgrade.
Further research. The author suggests several prospective paths for academic extension: one, conducting longitudinal studies to track how teachers perception and six behavior evolve the dynamical over time rather relying on a cross-sectional snapshot. Two, integrating qualitative methods interview of focus group via a mixed methods to generate deeper contextual narrative regarding teacher stage and stage critical brief. Three, expressing the geographical and demographic structure at other regions or fixed educational tiers to test the generalizability of the purpose framework.
Consistency and commerce strategies. 1. Robust frameworks integration. Seamlessly blending psychological personality indicator with cognitive utility assessment system provides a highly holistic view of technology adaptation that considers both the tool and the human user. 2. Methodological rigor. The utilization of highly appropriate stage for evaluating complex structural models with numerous simultaneous pathways and mediating variables. The appropriate cleaning of indicator to specify convergent validity criteria ref on statistical standards to high particle utility instead of remaining purely theoretical. The paper of concrete fell to regional administrators and policymakers looking to roll out training programs in allocated technological research under the Indonesia Merdeka Belajar Curriculum Framework.
which is why survey reports bias relying entirely on survey reports. We survey data introduction and literacy of social desirability bias or inaccurate self-assessmentation records using actual AI implementation competencies. Geographic self-restriction. First, the data is uniquely reflective of the infrastructure, digital literacy, and cultural ecosystem of West Java. The realistic cannot as easily be generalized to other parts of Indonesia or developing countries with vastly diverse localized environments. Lack of descriptive detail on AI adaptation. Within the paper extensively evaluates the construct of actual text. It lacks general clarity on what aspects which AI technology automates grading tools, adaptive lesson planning software. The data are culturally interesting with our evaluation. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your kids' attention and will be happy to answer any question or rectify comment from the audition.
A few moments later.
And again, thank you for your attention and participation. I have this presentation for which values be in 60s in AI adaptation in elementary education. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.